Welcome to this deep dive, specifically tailored for you. This weekend, we're doing something a bit different. We're looking at a curated list of open house properties. These are hitting the Toronto market April 12th and 13th, 2025.
Exactly. And these listings, they've been put together by Brad Cox. He's with the Heaps Estrin team. Honestly, a real expert in the Toronto real estate scene.
Absolutely. And it's worth mentioning Brad's expertise goes beyond just what's publicly listed. He has access to quite a few exclusive properties, off-market stuff too, so he can really offer a bespoke experience if you're seriously looking.
Right. So if anything we talk about today catches your eye, or maybe you're looking for something very specific you just haven't seen yet, well, connecting with Brad could be a really good move, a potential game changer.
Yeah. So our mission today is pretty straightforward. We're going to run through these open houses. We'll pull out the key details: address, price, number of bedrooms, how long they've been sitting on the market, and maybe one standout feature that makes each one interesting. Ready to jump in?
Let's do it.
All right, kicking things off with 2 Glenbrae Ave. That's in Toronto, North Leaside area. It's listed at $1,299,000.
Okay, $1,299,000.
Yeah.
That's a semi-detached, right? Two-story link home.
Yep, link home, 2 bedrooms. It's been on the market for 9 days.
9 days. Okay, so still pretty fresh. What's the standout?
Well, I think it's the location. It's
Yeah.
on this really quiet one-block street, kind of tucked away in North Leaside, but it's surrounded by homes that sell for, quite a bit more.
Ah, interesting. So potential value play there.
Could be. Open house is Sunday, April 13th, 2 to 4 p.m.
Good to know. That link designation often means attached just below ground, gives it more of a detached feel upstairs.
Right. And being in that pocket, could suggest good long-term value.
Definitely. Okay, what's next?
Okay, next we're heading to 671 Millwood Road, also Toronto, but Mount Pleasant East this time. Price is identical, actually, $1,299,000.
Same price point. And this one's also a semi-detached two-story.
Correct, but this one has 3 bedrooms, and it's been listed it's longer, 3 days.
30 days. Okay, any particular feature jump out?
Yeah, this is pretty practical. It already has a Tesla charger
Oh,
installed.
nice. Big perk for EV owners. Saves a hassle and expense.
For sure. Open houses are Saturday and Sunday, April 12th and 13th, 2 to 4 p.m. both days.
Right. The 30 days could mean they were a bit high initially, or maybe just waiting for that buyer who really values the charger.
Possible. Okay, third one. 369 Mount Pleasant Road. Now we're in Rosedale Moore Park. Asking price is up a bit. $1,399,000.
$1,399,000.
Yeah.
Okay, another semi-detached two-story.
Yep, and this one's listed as 3 plus 1 bedrooms. Been on the market 22 days.
Okay, 3 plus 1 beds, 22 days. What's the standout here? This area is always interesting.
This was pretty unique for the city. It boasts a triple car garage.
Wow, a triple garage in Rosedale Moore Park.
Yeah, that's a lot of flexibility. Storage, workshop, whatever.
That's huge. Definitely a rare find. Open house.
Sunday, April 13th, 2 to 4 p.m.
Okay, noted. That garage alone will draw attention.
No kidding. All right, moving on, back to Leaside. 38 Vanderhoof Ave. This one's detached, 2-story. Priced at $1,498,000.
$1,498,000. Detached. And how long has it been listed?
Super new, just 2 days.
Okay, very fresh. What's the angle here?
Well, it's being presented as a great opportunity for renovators or builders even, sought after Leaside location. Plus, it has a deep 125-foot lot.
The lot size. That's key in Leaside.
Exactly. Open houses are Saturday and Sunday, April 12th and 13th, 2 to 4 p.m.
Yeah, that deep lot offers so much potential. Renovate, add on, maybe even build new down the line. Scarce commodity, that kind of land there.
Totally agree. Okay, number 5 is 272 Rumsey Road, also Leaside, listed at $1,499,000. So just a hair more than Vanderhoof.
$1,499,000. This one's detached too. 2-story.
It's detached, 2-story, 3 plus 1 bedrooms. It's been on the market for 17 days.
17 days, okay.
Yeah.
And the standout feature.
The key here seems to be the value proposition. It's a renovated detached home with a private drive and 2-car parking. But the listing highlights it's priced kind of like a semi-detached in the same area.
Okay, interesting. So you get the detached benefits, the Reno done, the parking, potentially without the full detached premium for Leaside.
Seems like it. Open house is Sunday, April 13th, 2 to 4 p.m.
That could be a really solid find for someone.
Yeah. Next up, 58 Thursfield Crescent, another Leaside property. Price is $1,619,000.
Okay, $1,619,000. Semi-detached.
Yes, semi-detached, 2-story, 3 bedrooms. Been listed for 8 days.
8 days. Relatively new, too. What's special about Thursfield?
Well, it's noted for being on a quiet, tree-lined street in North Leaside, and the description says it's been attractively renovated. Style and flair, I think, were the words.
Right. That quiet street appeal combined with a stylish Reno, that's often a winning combo, especially for families looking for move-in ready.
Definitely. Open house for this one is Sunday, April 13th, 2 to 4 p.m.
Okay. Moving along.
Seventh property. We're at 1 Martin Crescent, back in Mount Pleasant East, listed at $1,649,000.
$1,649,000. And this one's detached.
Yes, detached, 2-story, 3 bedrooms, and also very new. Just 2 days on the market.
Wow, lots of new listings this week. Any cool features?
Yeah, a modern touch. It has automatic blinds throughout the entire home.
Oh, fancy. Sleek look. Convenient, too.
Right. Open houses are Saturday and Sunday, April 12th and 13th, 2 to 4 p.m.
Automatic blinds suggests a certain level of modern updating and attention to detail. Probably getting good traffic being detached and new on market there.
I'd imagine so. Okay, almost there. 469 Roselawn Ave. This is in Lawrence Park South. Price is $1,689,000.
$1,689,000. Detached, 2-story again.
Yes. This one has 3 plus 1 bedrooms. Been on the market for 10 days.
10 days, okay. And the big draw here.
Location, location, location. It's highlighted as a move-in ready family home, right in the heart of the very coveted Allenby School District.
Ah, Allenby. That's huge for families. That district alone carries a premium.
Absolutely. And being move-in ready makes it even easier. Open houses Saturday and Sunday, 2 to 4 p.m.
Yeah, that combination will be very appealing to a specific buyer pool.
Okay, second last one. 23 Donley Drive, back in Leaside, North Leaside specifically, listed at $1,795,000.
$1,795,000. Detached, 2-story.
Correct. 3 bedrooms, only 3 days on the market.
3 days, okay. What makes this one stand out?
It sits on a pretty generous 35-foot lot, plus
Good.
it has sunny south-facing exposure and mature garden.
Nice. That 35-foot lot gives you good space, and south exposure is always desirable. Lots of light, good for the garden.
Exactly. Open houses Saturday and Sunday, 2 to 4 p.m.
Mature gardens add that immediate curb appeal to established feel.
For sure. Okay, last one on our list, 61 Rumsey Road, also Leaside, priced at $1,890,000.
Okay, $1,890,000.
Detached.
Yep, detached, 2-story. This one offers 4 bedrooms, and it's the newest listing we've seen today, just 1 day on the market.
1 day. Wow. 4 beds. What's the unique feature? They highlight the arched front door with a stone surround, and also original inlaid hardwood floors. Really emphasizes the Leaside character.
Oh, lovely. Those original details are often highly sought after in Leaside. Gives it that charm.
Yeah, it sounds like it. Open houses Saturday and Sunday, 2 to 4 p.m.
And 4 beds makes it suitable for larger families. Being brand new, it'll likely get swarmed this weekend.
I would think so. And that wraps up our quick run-through of these open houses for April 12th and 13th. Hopefully that gave everyone a useful snapshot.
Definitely. And just a reminder, these were curated by Brad Cox of the Heaps Estrin team. Like we said, he's a real Toronto market pro, and importantly has access to those exclusive and off-market places too. He really focuses on creating that tailored, bespoke experience for buyers.
Yeah, it's quite a range we saw today, isn't it? From, that more entry-level semi in a great spot,
Right.
all the way up to larger detached homes with unique character or big lots.
It really does give you a feel for the different opportunities available right now in these specific, very desirable Toronto neighborhoods.
Makes you think, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Seeing this variety, the different price points, the features. Maybe it sparks some ideas about, what kind of property truly fits what you're looking for in the current market. Something to mull over, perhaps.